Ever wondered if those exotic spices you buy the real deal? Food fraud in the spice is more common than you might think, and today going to show you how to spot it before it hits your shelves. Hi folks, I'm Felicia Liu, your go-to food safety consultant. Today, let's dive into a critical topic, spice food fraud. Let's learn how to identify it and make sure you're purchasing pure, unadulterated spices for your business. Food fraud occurs when products are deliberately tampered with, mislabeled, or counterfeited. With spices being one of the most vulnerable items, ensuring their authenticity is crucial. Let's break down some common indicators of spice fraud. First, always be wary of unusually low prices. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Authentic spices come with a cost due to their cultivation and harvesting processes. Next, inspect the physical characteristics of the spices. For instance, pure turmeric should be bright yellow. Any dullness or uneven coloring can be a red flag. Going beyond visual checks, consider lab testing with ISO 17025 for your spices. This step might be a bit costly, but think of it as an investment in your brand's reliability. It's crucial to know your suppliers. Ensure they have a transparent supply chain and can provide necessary documentation, build relationships with trusted suppliers, and perform regular audits. Leverage digital tools for traceability. Some advanced software can help track the spice's journey from farm to table. This not only ensures authenticity but also boosts your credibility. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. We're here to help you create a robust food fraud mitigation plan tailored to your business needs. Book a strategy call, or simply reach us at 1-236-513-2488. Safeguard your business and your customers by staying one step ahead of food fraud. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more expert insights into food safety. Until next time, I'm Felicia Liu, reminding you that quality and safety always come first.